Thank you for choosing Community Learning Curriculum for your classroom. Welcome to Missing Money Mystery.
Lesson 5, Tracking the Tires, Tread Patterns.
To make the most of this lesson, it is recommended that you read your instructor's guide and thoroughly prepare before leading this activity with a group.
Objectives. Learn the mold making and casting process. Observe, measure, and compare impressions of a mold. Record observations on a data sheet. Identify the bicycle tire tread pattern left at the scene of the crime. Activity 1. Making a mold and observing tread patterns. Spray an 8-ounce plastic dish with a light coat of cooking spray. Press clay firmly down into the bottom of the dish to fill just below the first ring. Create an even top surface and smooth out any cracks. Gently press the tire sample, tread down, into the clay. If the sample is curved, press and roll with even pressure to capture entire pattern. Remove tire sample and confirm that you have a good impression. Place 1 portion cup full of water into the reclosable bag and hold it upright. Using a dry portion cup, scoop a heaping portion of plaster of Paris. Slowly sprinkle plaster of Paris into water, stopping to tap the bottom of the bag on the work surface to incorporate powder into the water. Repeat with a second heaping portion cup full of plaster of Paris. Knead the fluid in the bag for about 1 minute. You may feel the temperature warming as a chemical reaction takes place. Tip the bag so the fluid runs to one corner and snip the other corner with scissors to create a pour hole. Squeeze the liquid plaster of Paris mixture out over the entire clay surface. Use 2 fingers like scissor blades to squeeze all the fluid out of the bag. Make sure that the plaster of Paris covers all of the clay. Demold the fully dried sample gently by placing both thumbs on the top of the dish while pressing down and pulling out the dish sides. Push up from the bottom and/or squeeze the bottom of the mold to loosen and release the cast. Remove clay from the cast and carefully rinse if necessary to further remove clay bits. Have students make 3 equal balls of clay from the clay they were given. Flatten each ball like a pancake until about 1/2 inch thick. Push one of the found objects gently into each piece of clay to create an impression. Carefully remove the object from the clay and observe the clay impressions and record your observations on the data table.
Thank you for watching Missing Money Mystery Lesson 5. For any further questions, please consult our website